Hello, welcome back to my channel with me, Ida Agustin on CodingWatch. In this video, I want to show you about how to create onboarding screen to continue my previous building Maxim apps. Okay, for the first, we must install dependencies React Native onboarding sweeper. Yeah, okay, and then you can search on the internet and click this React Native onboarding sweeper from gfilter. Okay, in this page we can see about how to install and then usage and many more. First, we install this dependency using this command npm react native onboarding sweeper, and we can copy this and paste on our project in terminal. Okay, but in this video I have dependencies on package.json React Native Onboarding Sweeper with version 1.1.4. Okay, now I want to show you codes on onboarding files. For the first, type import React from React, and then import onboarding from React onboarding sweeper. Okay, and then I create a component with name gambar onboarding. Okay, gambar onboarding component. Okay, I'm using create gambar. Okay, I'm using arrow function to create this component cons gambar onboarding. This arrow function, and then I create element. Sorry, with array, and I adding background color with hexa color 373b44, and then I adding object title, subtitle, image, and then subtitle. Okay. Oh, don't forget to export default function onboardings. Okay, back to onboardings elements. I adding for properties title with image, source require image, and then logo. .png. I have 3 images on my image folder. There are on 1.png, on 2.png, on 3.png. Okay, for onboarding screen. And then for properties image, I adding image 2, source, require image on 1.png. Okay, and for subtitle, I adding with strings. For example, siap mengantarkan, siap mengantar Anda dengan armada terbaik kami. Okay. And then I copy this for 3 times. And I change for the title, I change for the properties image subtitle for second page and then third page. Okay, like this. Okay, for subtitle on the second page, I change with, for example, like this. And then for subtitle on the third page, I change with this. Okay, and after we create this component or gambar onboarding component, we can return an inset of onboarding function. Okay, we can call on the inset return method using view, and then type gambar onboarding. Okay, now I want to run this code and I want to see the result of this code. To run this code, we type React Native run Android. I'm not using modifier, so I type modifier. Okay, wait a moment. I want to see the result of my code to my emulator. Okay. Okay, I'm getting error. What happened? White. Okay, maybe I forget to import view. image from React Native. Then why Maxim clone not dependency? Oh, for image. Oh, I'm sorry. I miss for type slash with dot. Okay. Okay. And then I rerun. Okay. So now look on the connect. I'm using Android for to mirroring my Android device to my laptop. But I reconnect again to my device. Okay. Okay, reconnect, and I want to mirroring again. Okay, back to my application, my application, and then I search for Maxim clone, but you can see on my emulator not showing nothing. Okay. Okay, I forget to adding styling on the insert view with flex 1. Okay, back to looks. There are my but it's very large image. Okay, I adding styling for image. I copy this and paste for this. Okay, and then copy this, but I change with 180 and this 130. Okay, copy this and copy this, and okay, now I want to rerun. Now looks on my emulator can use the show like this. Look on the button left and bottom right, you see skip or next. Okay, we can type next and moving to the next page, and if I swipe on the left or on the skip and back to on the first page. We can delete this element, skip and next, and we type like this, so skip with the value of false. Look on the emulator, the skip element is deleted. Okay, and back to our onboarding phase again, and I tap show next, and I adding the value with force 2. Okay, so see on the map emulator on the skip and next element not showing again. Okay, because I adding these properties with the value of force. Okay, so if I swivel this page, the next and skips element is not showing on our apps. Okay, but I want to adding button on this checklist button with another button. Okay, um, I create button, create next button. I'm using cons with arrow function with the name, for example, down. Okay, and with method render inside I'm using touchable opacity. Okay, don't forget to import this touchable opacity from React Native. Okay, and then I give text instead of touchable opacity with next. Okay, looks on the emulator is not showing nothing. Okay, we can call this component done instead of element onboarding using properties done button component. Okay, done button component, and we can call this component instead of properties done button component. Okay, like this, and then control save, and look, oops, sorry, I'm getting error, cannot find variable text. Okay, I forget to text on import, so I type text from React Native. Okay, back to okay, looks. Yes. And then I sweep left. Nah, you can see on the on the bottom right, it's display button next, but it's I have no styling this button. Now I want to styling for the next button. Okay. Okay, for stylings on instead of touchable opacity. Okay, with style with for example I give 80, and then background color I using orange, and then padding I give 10, and margin right I give 15, and border radius I give 10. Okay, and then control save. Look, but the text of next not showing in the center inside of button, so I give styling for text with text align center. Okay, and then back to emulator. Looks, the button next is done. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the code of onboarding file. So if we create apps, the first page uh, for the call on the our apps in its onboarding screen, and then we can navigate to home screen. Okay, I think it's enough for today in this video. See you next time on videos CodingWatch. See you.